On the Spark homepage, the very first thing you will see are your social media formats, some templates, and your recent projects will be stored down below. To begin a new project, click on Create a Project, and all of your options will pop up over here on the left. I am going to select video since I mentioned it's the most versatile format of Spark and any age group can create a video. So the project will always begin with a brainstorming page. You can certainly type your thoughts down here. I'm just going to skip it for this presentation. And your templates will open. So you're welcome to choose from promote an idea, tell what happened, a hero's journey, show and tell, personal growth, teach a lesson, an invitation, make up my own, or start from scratch. So the nice thing about Spark is before you begin work, they will always give you the option of watching this quick tutorial video of quick tips. So I am going to hit play for you because it will give you a nice overview of the features in Spark. So let's practice using some of the features the video just went over. So whenever you'd like to add slides to your video, you just simply click the plus button on the bottom, and you will always be prompted to either include a video, some text, a photo, or an icon. So I thought about creating a video for my students who are home due to the school closure. So if I want to just give them a quick message of hello, I can type that in. To add anything to your video, simply just click the plus button, and I will be prompted to either include a video or a photo. I'm going to include a video at this time. And all of these options pop up, so if I have videos in any of these locations, I certainly can use them. I'm going to use the Find Free Photos option. I use this quite frequently. And I would like to find some photos of students. So I can select from all of the photos that they are providing me with, and it will easily insert into my video once I click on it. And if I want to include my voice, I can just simply hold down the microphone button, hello, and record my voice. So as the video mentioned, you can reorganize your slides. So I do want that one to be my very first slide with my message of hello. I already have my next slide. So again, type your message. It can be very brief or a little bit lengthier. Click the plus button very easily. I'd like to add another photo. I'm going to select from my student photos. Record. I miss you all. Add one more. I can't wait to see everyone. So you still have some more different options. You can go full screen, split screen, caption, title, and text. I'm going to leave mine full screen. The video also mentioned that we can resize. So we have options of widescreen or square. I prefer the widescreen. And I love this feature in Spark. You can add background music to your videos. So Spark categorizes the music that they have, playful, relaxed, rousing, thematic, thoughtful, uplifting. So if I am trying to send just a very happy message of hello to my students, I'll probably want to include an uplifting tune. So let's preview. Let's hear what this sounds like and what it looks like. Hello. I miss you all. I can't wait to see everyone. So I can share this video, I can publish it, I can invite others, I can download this video. Spark makes it very easy to create a very convenient and engaging video that anyone will enjoy. So this is how to create a video in Adobe Spark.